Hidden in this ancient verse, the Lord's Prayer offers profound wisdom. It invites contemplation on divine presence and grace. Each line is a meditation, a step into spiritual awakening. As we begin, consider the sacred invocation, Our Father in Heaven, called to connect with the universal source of love and compassion. When we speak of daily bread, it signifies more than nourishment. It represents trust in provision and the abundance of life. This part of the prayer encourages a reliance on divine providence, teaching us to live in gratitude for each moment's sustenance and the unfolding of grace in our daily lives. The line, "Forgive us our trespasses," is an invitation to personal growth. In modern life, forgiveness is a transformative act. It frees the spirit, enabling us to release burdens and embrace love. This teaches us not just to seek forgiveness, but also to offer it, creating harmony and peace in complex relationships. Embracing the Lord's Prayer, we find a legacy of peace and unity. Its wisdom guides us towards becoming beacons of compassion in the world. Reflect on its ability to transform, inspire, and lead us to a deeper connection with the divine, urging a life of purpose filled with love and light.